Alright, so today we're going to show you how to do an easy installation on putting on a backup camera onto the Volkswagen. Messed up first thing already. The GoPro ran out of battery, I didn't realize, and now we pretty much did the whole installation without recording it, but we're going to go through it one more time with you guys real quick. So we'll start right here in the first part. We're going to take off the radio. We still have it disassembled at least.
These called bevel. That's a bevel right there.
You take this off, pop your radio out.
You got short wires, so you gotta go on out there, don't we?
Huh.
The yellow connector right there, the RCA plug.
Yeah. You get a one long black wire that plugs up to the back of your camera. If you have a basic radio, you're not going to be able to do this. You either have to have the upgraded trim, or you just buy an aftermarket radio. They're fairly cheap. But yeah, you just plug up right here, put your radio and stuff back. We'll do it after. We did I did a nice, we did like a cheap little fast job with the wire. We just ran it through real quick. We'll make it prettier in the long run. I'll just show you guys the wire going through. And we have it right here. We're gonna hide it more better. We just wanted to make sure it's gonna have power and it was gonna show. You come up here with it. You're gonna plug it up to your backup power, your
reverse light.
You're gonna plug it up to your reverse lights.
It's a blue wire on the Volkswagen.
This is the power to it, so it has power. It knows to turn on when you put it into reverse.
This is the power to the camera, and that's the power that when it comes on.
You gotta give power to the camera. Where do we plug this at?
It goes to the camera right here.
Just like this. This is gonna give you your auxiliary to the video.
It's your video feed.
And both these wires, they come straight off the camera. We ran it through here. It comes into here. And here's where our backup camera is now. Really easy installation as long as you guys have the, like I said, aftermarket radio or a radio that can use, have the installation, then you're good. It's like a quick 30-minute job.
Putting the nuts back on the trunk release. Yep.
See those two? Yep. Do that. It's one piece, the camera and the handle. Slap this bad boy on. Get this back part off pretty easy. You just pop it off right here. We just need to push it tighter or something. Yep.
First thing to do is
now we'll do the cleaning up part, make it all nice and fresh. Customer already bought this. He came over here because he thought it had a camera. We advertised it with the camera. I assumed these higher trim models were gonna have it. I should have checked. It did not. Customer was unhappy, did not want the vehicle. I told him we'd install one. They're fairly simple. So anyone that has a customer that's gonna back out of their deal because of the backup, and it happens a lot, where a customer comes here for their daughter, for themselves, especially Uber Eats people, like any rideshare people. They pretty much say they thought the car had a camera and they got to back out of it because it's what they're looking for. So easy solution, easy fix.